Hey guys, it's Dwayna, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. Please ignore Mr. Growly back there. He probably sees some kids that he wants to bark at. Today we're going to be retesting the Fenty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. So even though I really like Fenty's foundations, when I tried this out a few months ago, I did not like the length of time that it took for my face to get really oily. So I'm gonna try it again because I think that we can make this work, as I really want to make it work. So that's what we got for you today. If you guys want to see what I did and if it works, stay tuned. Okay, so we are out here looking crazy because I'm filming this in the middle of another video. You'll see that I think you've seen it already. We are going to retry this Fenty Hydrating foundation because everybody seems to love it and I just don't know where I went wrong. About a year ago, maybe even more, I put up a everything proof Longwear foundation routine, and I'm going to do that today with this to see if that makes it last longer, because I did really like the finish. I did like how it looked on the skin. It's just that I got really dewy, like especially in this area, and I don't like that at all. So we're gonna try that out again today. So first I'm starting with the Nola Skin Essentials Soothing Primer Oil. I don't know why I always do this, like you guys can see. Oh, there we go. We're going to put that down first. That is my first primer. Now I'm going to pick up the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, get about 2 good pumps on there, and put that on top. Now we're gonna go in and color correct under my eyes and up to my wings, because I did use blue shadow today and it stained my actual skin. So we are going to color correct that away. We're gonna take the Fenty Beauty honey powder and just tap it all over your face, all over my face. And this is the Neme Beauty sponge. I have gotten this in PR recently and I really like it. It is a good sponge. It's like the Sonia Kashuk sponge to me, a really good dupe for the original Beauty Blender. So now that that's done, I'm going to spray my face down with Ben Nye Final Seal to create a coat of extra protection on my actual face. Now we're going to put on the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation with the ABH Pro Kabuki brush. So it's on. I'm gonna put on the rest of my face. I'm gonna come back, give you a timestamp, and then we'll come back all the way in at like after midnight probably. What time is it? Yeah, we'll come back a lot later and we'll talk about how the face sat throughout the day. All right, okay guys, we are done. It is 3:41 p.m. and so we're gonna keep this on. Let's try 6 hours. I think I can do 6 hours, if not more. So it looks pretty good. I think I overdid it with the powder and everything, because I was like, oh, we're gonna get this matte, not matte, but this is gonna last today. Instead of spraying down the last step, like my finishing spray with Ben 9, which is what I usually do if I'm doing long wear, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set to give me a little bit more life, because we had taken away all the hydratingness just to try and see if we can get it to work. So here we go. It's 3:41. We will come back and I will see you in a few so we can see whether or not this works good. Hey, Titan. Hi, boo-boo. Y'all, I'm coming to you. My hair is twisted up because it's time for me to go to bed. The only reason I'm up this late is because it's fall break and I don't have to be at work at 7 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. So that's how y'all got this long video on a Sunday. Okay, what time is it? 12:39 a.m. It's been 9 hours, guys. I took this picture here at 8 o'clock so that you guys could see I was still pretty, I was glistening a lot even after 4 hours, regardless of the fact that I did the Longwear Foundation look. I mean, the foundation itself is holding up. It's just, I'm just so greasy. That's with just a dry brush, just a dry kabuki brush. I'll put a little bit of powder on to see what it's looking like. I got some powder in here. I guess that's it. I don't really have much else to say, you guys. So hopefully you guys have seen the original review for this, and my second review kind of stands the same as the first one. I think that it's a beautiful foundation. I just think it's not for me. I cannot wear it longer than a couple of hours because then I just start looking like a grease pit. And I don't even have oily skin. That's the crazy thing. Like, my skin is just regular. So that's all I have for you guys. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We're trying to get to 1K by Christmas Day. I am at 834 right now, I believe. So we have just over 160 left. So just make sure you guys subscribe and make sure you tell your friends to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you guys can be part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.